customizing AutoCAD with custom dialog boxes through DCL files. These define user interface elements for AutoCAD applications. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to work with these AutoCAD Dialog control language files. Our ultimate goal is to simplify the process by leveraging the advanced capabilities of one DCL file inspection software that works reliably across numerous file types. A user encountering a .dcl file is typically an AutoCAD developer or power user looking to create or modify a custom user interface dialog. This plain text file defines the layout and elements, such as buttons and input boxes, for custom scripts written in AutoLISP, enhancing AutoCAD's functionality. DCL files use a Lisp-like text-based syntax to define hierarchical UI components. This design was chosen for its simplicity and direct integration with the AutoLISP programming environment. It allows developers to rapidly prototype and deploy custom dialogs without needing a separate UI compiler, making it highly accessible for scripting. Historically, the main tool for managing the DCL type has been AutoCAD by Autodesk Inc. Using a dedicated tool minimizes the security vulnerabilities associated with this format. Windows does not interpret code natively, so scripts rely on the right engine to run. Your essential first step is the Open With action. Right-click the DCL file and select Open With. If AutoCAD is installed, select it. If not, choose another program. Every app deserves a chance to open the file. If the DCL file won't open, don't panic. Let's immediately implement 3 focused troubleshooting steps to find the underlying issue. First, editing in text editor. Open DCL files in any text editor such as Visual Studio Code, Notepad++, or AutoCAD's built-in Visual Lisp editor. The DCL syntax displays as readable text. Configure the editor for syntax highlighting if available, improving readability during dialog design and modification work for AutoCAD customization projects. Next, loading in AutoCAD. Load DCL files from AutoLISP code using load dialog and new dialog functions. The dialog displays in AutoCAD with all defined controls. Test dialogs through Visual Lisp development environment in AutoCAD before deploying to production environments. Debug dialog behavior using Lisp code that handles control events and user input. Finally, migrating to modern UI. For modern AutoCAD customization, consider migrating from DCL to AutoCAD's Object-ARX or .NET API, which support modern dialog frameworks. While DCL remains supported for backward compatibility, newer interface technologies provide enhanced capabilities and better integration with current AutoCAD versions and customization paradigms. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. Finally, the problem might be deep-seated. Your most efficient path to success now is using a high-powered universal viewer like FileMagick. This software is available at filemagick.com. If you know someone else struggling with this file, please share this video. A like and subscribe goes a long way.